Hello, I am Anjani Colaping from Computer Science. BC is 1A. Today, I am going to discuss the 2D arrays, triangle 2D arrays, Java code. First, the first part is the important import Java utils array. Ito. This imports that helps work with the arrays. We use arrays to fill with arrays with 1S. And defining the class. We create a class named triangle generator. A class is like a box that holds related code together. This class contains all the code to generate and print a triangle. Creating the generate triangle method. Ito yung public static void. This method function generates and prints a triangle. Int d means it takes a number as input which decides the size of the triangle. And static means we can use this method without making an object of the class. Void means the method does not return anything. Checking if D is valid. This line. If D is invalid, it prints error and stop the method using return. Creating a 2D array for the triangle. This creates a 2D array, a list of a list. The array has D rows, but we do not set the number of columns yet. Filling the triangle with 1S. Ito, for it dito, the loop runs D times 1 for each row. Ito siya, is this creates a row with I plus 1 elements. And printing the triangles. For int E in cos R, ito siya. How it works, no? The first loop goes through each row in it. The second loop goes through each member in the row and prints it. System print moves to the next line after the printing a row. And the main method or starting point, public static void main. This is the starting point of the program. Java always look for main first when running a program. Calling generate triangle. This calls the method with different values. No, the system out print adds the block between the triangles. So, Marta guys, and I'll show you the final output ani nga code. So guys, mao ni siya. This is the final output no sa ato ang code. Thank you.